Hi guys, I'm currently at home. It is the 27th of December and now I am about to purchase Blackmagic 6K. I'm super excited and I just wanted to share it with you and record this video because I think I'm gonna vlog it. I think I'm gonna do like a proper video and I wanted to include that footage inside. So I'm ordering the 6K, the Samsung portable TV, some microphones, accessories and this monopod. Wir zahlen auch die andere Rechnung. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be unboxing video. I have purchased a lot of camera equipment and now we will do the unboxing part together. I have some really exciting products I will unbox today. So let's begin. This one is this boom pole from Rode. Okay. Okay. So I have the Rode blimp, so it is supposed to go here, and when you're shooting outside, also indoors, but outside it's super handy. You can adjust it and also like hold the microphone, and it's perfect for short films or interviews and on the go. So great accessory. The next one is this monopod. I will probably use it mainly with the Blackmagic, but also with my main camera, which is the Canon 5D Mark IV. Which is the Canon 5D Mark IV. And yeah, awesome. Excited to try it and use it. Here we have monitor, and this is from Shinobi Atomos 5-inch monitor, which I will use for my Blackmagic, but also for the Canon. I was wondering if I want to get the 5-inch from Shinobi or the small HD. The small HD 5-inch is like 800 nits and this one is more brighter, so I picked up this one. And also most of the reviews are saying that this monitor is working perfectly with the Blackmagic. So yeah, that was one of the reasons why I chose the Shinobi one. Ooh, it's super light. You have menu, charger, and you also get a different wall plugs. The Samsung portable SSD, which is 500 gigabytes for the Blackmagic. The cables. Okay, next up we have some accessories from Smallrig. This is top handle for the Blackmagic. So here is the handle, top handle, and you get also a tube. I have this one again from Smallrig, which is the side handle. This is how it looks like. Then we have this Smallrig mount for the Samsung T5 for the portable SSD. You have this mount to mount it on the Blackmagic. Okay, here we have again Smallrig. This is an arm, double ball heads. Aha, I think this is the one for the monitor, where you mount the monitor on it. More boxes from Smallrig. This is Morik mounting plate for DJI Ronin S. This is for the Ronin S, for the gimbal. And this one, this is the Morik HDMI and USB cable clamp for Blackmagic 4K cage. We have the cage. This is the Morik cage for Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera 4K, but it also can you can also use it for the 6K. This is the V-mount. The brand is Core. This is the extra battery for the Blackmagic. Now we have the kit, the accessory kit for the Shinobi monitor. Nice case. Nice presentation. It's time to unbox the Blackmagic 6K. Like Casey Neistat. Welcome, Blackmagic Design, leading the creative video revolution. Nicey. Okay, next one. You get also free DaVinci Resolve 16 Studio. You have here belt. Not sure if I'm gonna use it. Battery, which life isn't that long. Charger, wall plugs. That's it. Okay, so here's the body. Thoughts? Huge screen. Look at that screen. Also super light. I mean, it's lighter than my Canon 5D Mark IV body for sure. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe and like the video, and also comment below if you want to see more videos with the Blackmagic, and also how I how I build the setup of the Blackmagic. Follow me on Instagram, it's Mariya Marinova, and also on TikTok, it's Mariya Marinova Creator. You can find me there if you're on TikTok, because yeah, I'm there, find me there. And all links will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! And this is the aftermath after the unboxing.